Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK, and this video I'm going to open box and review Amazon echodot second generation. We will talk about the price and we will review what you can do with this device. Let's move on the device. If we open box, we're gonna get Alexa echodot, power adapter, micro USB cable to power up. We're gonna get instruction manual, and also the paper will tell you the things you can try. If we look to the device, it's not that heavy and it's way smaller than older Amazon Echo. This device comes in two colors, white and black. I choose to go with the black color because this will perfectly match in my living room. They also add some buttons on the top. They add micro, mute and unmute button, a volume increase button, a volume decrease button, and also recording button. On the side, there's a micro USB input to power up the device, 3.5 mm audio jack, and the bottom they put 360-degree speaker. If you leave the device on the spot, you still can hear really loud. According to the functionality, this device is way better than it according to the size. Price wise, this device is only from $40 to $50. Anybody can afford it. Let's power up and try some things with Alexa. Alexa, what is time right now?
It's 7:47 a.m.
Alexa, how is the weather today?
Right now in Fresno, it's 72 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Throughout the day you can expect more of the same, with a high of 101 degrees and a low of 66 degrees.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Knock knock. Who's there? Affixed. Affixed who? Affixed your door. That'll be $50.
Alexa, play music.
Getting the last iHeart radio station you listened to. Joe gifted.
Alexa, stop music. Nearly you can control anything with this device. Fan, lights, plug, coffee machine, etc. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.